Welcome back to our channel. This is Techie Rick. Today we are going to take unboxing the OPPO Reno 6 Pro. This is the box. Box all said OPPO Reno 6 branding here. Box look like same the last model. Yep. Okay, first open the box, look inside the content. Inside the box front side, one more mini box here. It's not mini box, one paperlet. Then more mobile phone here. It's trim blue color. Yeah, its color is good. More AC adapter, free case and Type-C cable here. This adapter support 67 watts fast charging, 0 to 100% just 47 minutes. It's quite good. Okay, first overview the phone side by side. The phone display. Display comes with 6.55 inches Full HD plus resolution AMOLED display with 9 Hz refresh rate. Display top left corner side, tiny punch hole here. Phone running on Android 11 based in ColorOS 11. Processor Dimensity 1200. It's MediaTek processor, but nowadays it's work quite good. Phone weight 183 grams. In and feeling is really quite good. It's no heavy and bulky feeling. Phone backside totally quad camera here. Main camera 64 megapixel, otherwise all total waste. 8 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel depth, 2 megapixel macro. Total waste. Color variant white, rainbow and black color here. Which color you choose? The camera round also come with the same color. I really love this design. Okay, let's move on to this selfie section. The selfie camera comes with 32 megapixel. Also have a lot of the features. The face adjustment, background flare and object only showing the color. Lot of the features here on this selfie section. Rear camera base also support the same feature. Selfie and the rear. Portrait video also quite good. Edge detection is sometimes is little bit missing, otherwise it's quite good. Okay, my personal opinion, this is my first impression, so this device is really good. Coming up, I'm upload depth review. Let's watch OPPO Reno 6 Pro camera sample video.
Wow. 上来了，啊，它的毛太丝滑了，出溜。啊，下来，下来吧，啊，过来，来，小胖鸡。